The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G is shaping up to be one of Nokia's most ambitious flagship smartphones, expected to launch globally on June 24, 2025. Designed to compete with high-end devices in the Android ecosystem, it boasts a massive 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, delivering vivid colors, deep blacks, and immersive viewing, perfect for gaming, media consumption, and productivity. Powering the device is the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and an impressive 1 TB of internal storage, making it ideal for power users who demand top-tier performance and plenty of space for files, games, and apps. On the photography front, the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G doesn't hold back. It features a quad-camera setup with a 144MP main sensor, a 24MP ultra-wide lens, a 16MP telephoto, and a 5MP depth sensor, offering versatility and quality across a range of shooting conditions. The front camera is a sharp 64MP sensor, catering to selfie enthusiasts and content creators with high-resolution video calling and vlogging capabilities. The device runs on the latest Android 16, promising a clean, fast, and customizable software experience with the newest security and feature updates. Battery life is another major highlight, with a massive 7,500 mAh battery capable of lasting multiple days on a single charge. It supports 65W fast charging, allowing users to quickly top up their battery without long waits. Connectivity features are just as robust, including 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a USB Type-C port, ensuring you're always connected with the latest technology. As for pricing, the 512GB variant with 12GB of RAM is expected to retail around $500 to $600, while higher-end versions with 1TB storage and 16GB RAM may push closer to $750 to $800 depending on region and availability. With this model, Nokia is clearly aiming to re-establish itself in the premium segment, combining legacy reliability with cutting-edge specifications. If the final release delivers on these leaked specs, the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G could very well be one of 2025's biggest surprise contenders in the flagship phone market.